Before we can start writing automation scripts, we need a few tools installed on our computer. In this video, we will install Node.js, then Visual Studio as a code editor, and then we will install the Playwright library. So first of all, what is Node.js? Before installing Playwright, we first need something called Node.js. But what exactly is Node.js? According to the official definition, Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Now let's simplify this. What does that mean? Open source means the source code is publicly available. So developers around the world, we can use it, modify it, and improve it. We need not pay anything for that. And then what is cross platform? Cross platform means it works on multiple operating systems. Like we have Windows, then we have Mac, we have Linux, okay? And what is JavaScript runtime environment? A JavaScript runtime environment is a software environment that allows JavaScript code to execute. In simple words, it helps us run JavaScript on our computer. It's a it makes the environment, it makes the program to run. That is what it is. So simple Node.js definition would be that it allows us to run JavaScript code outside the browser in our what we say code editor, which is going to be VS Code. So now first of all, let's install Node.js. Okay, let's go to their official website. Type download Node.js. So this is the very first link. Click on this, and here you can do your settings like which version you want to install, okay, and like which platform you want to use, Windows, Linux, Mac, and rest you can ignore for now. And here you will have the option. For Windows, we download this file, window installer.msi. Click on this one. It will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, double click on this. Okay, here this wizard will open. Click on next, then I accept. Next. Okay, here this is the path where node.js is going to be installed. You can copy this for now and click on next. Next. And next. And click on install. The installation will begin. It's going to take few seconds. And it's done. Okay, once this node is downloaded, node installer is downloaded, and we have installed it. Let's go to C, program files. And here you will see one folder with node like this, node.js. And here we have the node modules. Copy this path and go to system variables, environment system variables. Okay, so this will open up. Then click on environment variables, and here you need to add this node underscore home path. So if you don't have it, just click on new, type here node underscore home in capital, and here you can type the variable name which we copied from there and click on OK. So once this is added, you can go to command prompt, and here you can type node -v, which will tell that the version is installed on your global system or not. And simply you can check the version of node package manager. See, both are installed now, else it would tell that this is not a recognized command. Once this is done, let's go back to Google and just type download Visual Studio. Click here, and for Windows, simply download this latest version. And for Mac, you can click over here. This is downloading. It will take few seconds. Okay, it's downloaded. Double click on this one. You will see a pop-up and click on here, I accept, then next. Okay, here this is the path where it's going to be installed. Next, next. And you can create a desktop icon if you want. It's up to you. Next, and click on install. It's going to take few seconds. Okay, this is done. And you can select this, like if you directly want to launch the Visual Studio after the installation is completed, click on finish. Okay, once the installation is completed, you will see this welcome window in Visual Studio Code. Let's maximize this. Okay, why we are using VS Code? It's free, lightweight, and one of the most popular editors for developers. Now let's create our project folder. Go to File, Open Folder. You can select any empty folder. Like right now I am selecting just one folder I created, like automation one. Select this folder and the new window will open. If terminal do not opens by default for you, you can go to view and then select the terminal. Okay. Here in the terminal, we will now install Playwright. In the terminal, run this command npm init Playwright. This command actually sets up the Playwright for us. And for the latest version, you can just type the latest. Now Playwright will ask few set of questions. As a beginner, we can just keep the default options for now. Okay, we will go with JavaScript. Enter true, true, true. And it's initializing the project for us and installing the Playwright test. After installation, like you can see multiple files and folders over here. Don't worry if this looks confusing right now. We will learn everything step by step throughout the course. Just for the intro, like you see this test folder. What is this test folder? This test folder is where we will write all of our tests, like with the things that we want to test, or test scripts, which be live test scripts that we want to run. And then we have this playwright.config.ts file. This is the main configuration file of Playwright. It controls the browser that we want to run, the base URL, the timeouts, screenshots, videos, reporters, trace settings. And you can think of it like the settings or control center of your Playwright framework. And then the last thing is package.json. This file manages the project dependencies, install libraries, scripts, commands, project information. And you can think of it like the file that manages your project and installed packages. And that's it. You have successfully installed Playwright and with TypeScript. In the next video, we will understand the Playwright project structure and write our first real automation script. Thank you.